Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our door lock and ignition switch set for the 68 through 77 Broncos. Over time, door and ignition locks on vintage Fords can wear out, break, or go missing. Dennis Carpenter offers the perfect solution for your vehicle's locking system. Our set includes an ignition cylinder, 2 door lock cylinders and seals, and the retaining clips for a hassle-free installation. By replacing these components as a set, you'll restore your classic Ford to its original configuration, ensuring all locks operate with matching pre-cut keys, just like it did when it first graced the showroom floor. Precision engineered to Ford factory specifications, our lock cylinders guarantee a perfect fit and smooth operation. Whether you're restoring a 68 to 77 Ford Bronco or another classic Ford model, Dennis Carpenter has these high-quality parts you need to secure your ride in style. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X.